Well, welcome to OpenWorld. Thank you for coming. And let me say, this is the most exciting time of the year at Oracle. It's been a year of innovation. That's what we thrive on. That's our core business, is innovating and bringing you new technology every year. So if you look at all the enhancements across thousands of products, nearly 3,000 products now, let me give you a sense of what we've been doing and how we've been investing. So we will invest this year, in our fiscal year, about $3 billion in pure research and development on products that you own and use that run your business every day. $3 billion. That's across 20,000 developers. Those developers have access to about 30,000 servers. Every night at Oracle, we run 300,000 test scripts. We expect to deliver new enhancements and innovations forever. That's what we do for a living. So this goes on and on and on. And the result of all that is we're number one in 40 different product segments in enterprise software. And we are the largest enterprise software company in the world. We now have 1,200 patents, and the product line is approaching 3,000 products. So thank you for that. You can always describe what we're doing with these three words: complete, open, and integrated. So let me describe why we're doing that and give you a backdrop of what problem we're trying to solve and how those three words apply to everything we do. You have a complex environment, extremely complex. Applications that were built by different companies, different developers, in an era where there weren't standards. Layers and layers of technology built up over many years. Applications and infrastructure not designed to work together. Engineers that have no reason to talk to each other in different companies, they're not going to build infrastructure and applications that magically talk to each other. That's how this happened. And on your side of it, a lot of these decisions were made over many years, decentralized in some fashion, made for many different reasons. But the reality is, this is where a lot of large companies are. That's why we had to get bigger and broader. Part of the acquisition strategy, all the investments we're making, let's control some of these components so we can develop certain standards around them. So complete, so we can control some of the components and add some value. Open, so you have some standards for communication between the components, between our products and third-party products. And then integrated, so we can reduce the amount of integration you have to do. Do it in a standards-based way, out of the box, instead of hiring a bunch of consultants to do that for you. So we are now a leader in very many markets, or key markets around the world in enterprise software. If you go back probably 5 years ago, the only thing you could say for sure that we were a leader in was probably database and maybe data warehousing. Fast forward to today, because of those investments, because of the strategy, because of the acquisitions, we are a leader in many, many segments of enterprise software, as you see here. The #1 middleware company, the #1 CRM company, many industries we lead in as well. So AIA is a crucial part of how we'll integrate applications going forward, and we think it's a change in the IT landscape for someone to take on integration as a core competence. We made 2 acquisitions recently of a company called Admin Server, which was the hot new startup company in the insurance industry for policy administration, and if you're in the insurance industry, you've probably heard of them. And then Skywire for illustration, for illustrating policies. And then the second one is Health Sciences for clinical trials process. We've been in this market for a while. We've formalized our industry business unit and acquired more components around that. And again, more detail on that is available at the show as well. So to summarize one more time, complete, open, integrated. You saw the breadth of the stack. This is going to be an exciting week. Thank you for coming. Let's have fun and learn a lot. Ask us a lot of questions.